The Param Lakshya World School is a co-educational school that has been set up in a village in Alwar to empower young minds in rural areas and let their imagination soar. The aim of the school is to redefine education, introduce new and innovative concepts, and make learning a more complete experience for village boys and girls.
We started the school with the vision of bridging the gap between the urban education the children are getting in metropolitan cities and the kind of education children are getting in rural setup.
It is among the first schools in India to adopt Exceed, a system of learning that has been designed by education experts from Harvard, Cambridge, IIM and IIT. Exceed focuses on better teaching and better learning, building clear concepts, fluency in English and superior learning outcomes. It integrates the requirements of CBSE and the recommendations of the National Curriculum Framework. The school currently runs classes from nursery to class 7. Its curriculum stresses 6 areas of learning, which are personal, social and emotional development, creative development, physical development, communication, language and literacy, knowledge and understanding of the world, mathematical development. The school treats every child with special care.
We understand that each and every child is different and they have different abilities to learn. Some learn while playing, some will learn with music, some will learn in a normal classroom. So we do cater to all these kind of needs. Then we don't only promote the children who are good in something, who are brilliant in something. For us, every child has a genius and we try to bring it out. Otherwise, if it goes unexplored, that's a life wasted, I guess.
The morning assembly sets the tone for the day. Eager students in neatly pressed uniforms line up in colorful rows in the assembly hall. There is joy and expectation on their faces, and get ready for a fun-filled learning day. The children study in classrooms that are airy and have plenty of natural light. The classroom tables and chairs are bright yellow and green, giving a cheerful look to nursery and KG classes. The school does not follow the traditional way of seating children in the classrooms. Instead, the children sit on 4 sides of the table facing each other. This leads to better interaction among students. The teacher too can walk around the tables, chatting with students in an informal manner. The number of students in each class is limited to 20, making it easy for the teacher to pay individual attention to each student. A unique feature of the teaching followed at Param Lakshya School is the phonetic way of learning alphabets. The foundation of the school's teaching is concept-based learning.
Concept-based learning is that if the child has done a concept thoroughly, he has understood the concept thoroughly, any question asked from that concept with any angle, with number of twists, the child is able to answer. There can be multiple answers for one single thing, and that's what I train the teachers for. Accept all the answers. Never discourage a child. No is not allowed. So accept all the responses so that the child feel encouraged. And then, has the child learned that concept or not? To check that, we have summative assessments after every unit. We have worksheets which the child fills simultaneously or just after the activity done, which is to check the level of the understanding of the child about the concept. For example, if they are doing a difference between sand and mud, one way is to just tell them, this is sand, this is loose, this can't bind. This is mud, this is tight, it can bind. One way is to give them that, let them explore, let them come to you and tell, ma'am, this is too loose, this can't bind. Right? So this is the difference. We take the children to concept rather than the other way.
The students are encouraged to cultivate good reading habits and use the library as an important center for learning. They can also browse CDs and log on to the internet. Computers form an important part of the learning. PWS has a well-equipped computer lab and the students spend considerable time learning computer skills. PWS believes that time spent on music, drama, dance and painting is time well spent. It gives the students confidence and makes them versatile. The music and dance room has a full-length mirror covering one full wall and the floor is lined with soft mattresses. Tiny tots sway to the melodious beats of music as the dance teacher leads the class. It is one class that all children love. The school sends its students to participate in outside events. This has brought several laurels to the school. The students received widespread applause for their performance in a musical memorial on Children's Day Eve, which was titled Remembering Chacha Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The event was organized by Lorraine Music Academy at the Epicenter in Gurgaon. This is not the only event where the PWS students have won accolades. The students had touched hearts by their group song on Gandhi Jayanti at an event organized at Epicenter. Sports is another focus area at PWS. The students are encouraged to make full use of indoor sports facilities, which include table tennis tables, carom boards, and an active chess corner. The chess games specially stimulate young minds, and 2 students of the school have won awards at a district level championship. There are outdoor sports too. Volleyball, football, and basketball are very popular with both boys and girls. To add to the competitive spirit, the school encourages students to take part in events outside the school. 2 PWS students won medals in the 11th Senior Jump Rope Championships held in Gujarat. The Param Lakshya World School does not believe in burdening students with homework.
We took out a remedy of extended study time, EST. We have 1 hour in the school where we do homework with the children. Children do their own work. They have a lot of support system around them. As I said, we encourage collaborative learning. They do that with the help of other children, asking their peers if there is any confusion, asking the teachers. All subject teachers are already in the school, so whenever they have a problem, they get immediate remedy for that. So by this kind of method, the homeworks are complete, parents are not troubled. But then we had another kind of trouble. When the parents came and said, if the child is doing homework here, what will he do at home? He's absolutely free when he goes home. So we started again voluntary homework. We don't impose it, but we give homework to these kind of students. Those who want it, they can do it, which is an extension to what they have already done in the school. We don't give anything new. We do request the parents to at least sit with the child, spend some time when he's doing homework, but you don't need to help. If the child is not able to do it, leave it. We will take care of that, but you will not do the child's work.
There's a careful monitoring and assessment of students' progress. The teachers spend hours preparing the report card. There are detailed comments about the students' progress in different areas. A happy and caring school, PWS maintains a vibrant Facebook page. children learn practical skills through role play. These skills add to the knowledge and self-confidence.
We do have certain activities or programs when each and every child has stage exposure. They have to speak on the stage, and so that the stage fear is gone when they are at a very, very early age without even realizing it's gone.
PWS has set up the Peace Table as a novel way to resolve disputes. The students are made to sit on either side of the table and listen to each other's complaints patiently and then find the best solution. This teaches the children the importance of listening to another point of view. The school invites parents to visit the school regularly, learn about the progress of their wards, and take part in school activities. The constant interaction has brought the parents closer to the school.
So do you see some differences in your kids? घर जाते हो जब तो कुछ अलग उनके सामने दिखे जो वो पहले नहीं करते थे और अब यहाँ से पढ़ने से
वो अपना मतलब मेरे को अपना काम उसके हेल्प के लिए खुद मेरे पास आ जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
मैं स्टडी करनी है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. स्टडी के लिए भी वो खुद रेडी है. हाँ ठीक है मम्मी आप करो हम कर लेंगे.
अच्छा.
The Param Lakshya World School ensures that while the required academic standards are met, the joy of learning is not sacrificed.